How to download uTorrent on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to download uTorrent on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your browser. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After opening your browser, you need to go with your search and search for uTorrent download. And here you will have download uTorrent on the first, which is clients for Windows. So you need to click on it and it will take you to the website, which is right here. So you need to just go with free download, which is on the left side. And as it says, thank you for downloading. So wait for the download to finish and then exit uTorrent web if application is running and then run the installer to install. So you just need simply go with downloads, which is on the top right. And as you can see that the installer has been downloaded. Once the installer has been downloaded, you can also go with the download section if you don't find it. Here you will have downloads, click on downloads and you will have the installer right here. So once it has been installed, you need to just click on the file. Once you click on the file, it will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You need to go with yes and click on next and again go with next, and it will ask you if you really want to install it. So you just need simply go with install and accept and your installation will be complete. So that's how you can install uTorrent, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. For watching.